I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. Standing in the foyer of a Ferndale layout, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Looking at high ceilings and plank flooring that extend throughout the living areas. Turning to look at an absolutely great kitchen. There's a ton of cabinet and counter space. White quartz counters. A deep, wide undermount sink. There's a spray attachment in the gooseneck faucet. Stainless steel appliance package includes a 5-burner gas range. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Built-in microwave, dishwasher. Gray quartz counters contrasting with the white. It's a tile backsplash. 42-inch upper cabinets for extra storage. It's both track and pendant lighting and recessed lighting. To your left, as you would have entered, is a full-size, side-by-side washer-dryer, front-loading. Then you have this generously sized living dining area. A lot of space gives you a lot of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture. Heading toward a patio that looks out over the pond. Be a great place to hang out when the weather's warm. And this is a great room to entertain in or just to live in. Heading toward the master suite, you're seeing 2 closets as you walk in. Large walk-in, and a separate closet as you head toward the sleeping area, which has a ton of space. Can accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture. Can easily turn this into a genuine master retreat. Master bath is a wide vanity, double bowl, gray quartz counter. There's a cabinet for additional storage and a bank of drawers in the vanity and a very wide mirror. There's also a large walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Terrific master suite. Bedrooms are split, which is the layout that everybody prefers. We've got a second bath, guest bath. Also an oversized bath. There's a deep soaking tub. Linen closet. 2 banks of drawers. Coat closet off to my right as I head into the second bedroom, which is larger than you're going to see in many apartments. It's carpeted, as is the master, and it has a walk-in closet. Overall, this apartment has very generous storage space. Deer Park Crossing is a very convenient location directly across from the Deer Park Town Center, just off Lake Cook Road. Has an extensive suite of amenities that includes an outdoor pool, fitness center, resident lounges, and more. This is one that you definitely want to visit. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.